I'm going to share some tips on speaking English. If you have to follow this tip consistently, you will definitely become an Englishman in a very short time. So, what's the tips? So, if you are adolescent in English language, so you have to develop your listening ability with observation. What I'm saying, you have to develop your listening ability with observation. Why I put up this in the top? Because you have to see and observe our children, that children have not learned their particular regional language, not from any institute, not from any school. It's get by listening and by observation its environment. So same thing we have to apply in our case. What's the science behind it, that why I have put up this listening ability and observation ability in the top? The science behind it, our body is behave like a full computer, and our all the sensory organ behave like a input devices, and our mind behave like a output device. Whatever the information it gets by this input devices like ear, eyes, nose, skin, etc., our mind reflects back the same action according to the information get by these input devices. So whenever you are adolescent in anything, so you have to start listening or observe it. If you have to do it on a consistently, so after some time you have to find that your mind is automatically evolved according to the particular information or according to the particular language if you are learning language. So we are develop a listening ability and observation ability first. I have shared us some videos in the description box. If you have to visit, you will definitely avail and your problem related to the listening and observation, it's totally eradicate from these videos. Second thing I have put up, that you have to start thinking on English. If you have to learn English, whatever thoughts come in your minds, please try to translate it in a English language. What's the consequences of it? If you have to do it in some time, you are halt and you are stuck in the middle, that you are not able to thinking and translating a particular sentence or particular word, so you will want to google it, and if you have to google it, you it makes your vocabulary strong, and second, your understanding of the sentence strong. If you have to do it, you are able, you have to done 50% work. The last but the foremost thing, which is practice. It doesn't mean that how you know English and how you understand English very well. It doesn't mean until you are not habit to speak in front of the people, and it comes by practice. If you have to do a practice in front of the people, in front of the camera, in front of the mirror, it makes your confidence and it develop your confidence, and after it you are able to speak in English. Until you are not able to speak in English, if you have don't do it. So please follow this all the tips in a regular basis. You have able to speak English, definitely I give you a surety. Please subscribe the channel and share this video as much as you can. So thank